Alright, welcome back to another vlog. I was definitely doing the speed limit, and today I am on a mission for my Halloween shoot. Got a couple little things planned, and the first one is... Oh, sorry, I'm listening to the Google Maps directions in my ear. So sorry for the pause there. But my first mission for today is a little photo shoot. I'm heading to a place called Ankle Common. And they actually filmed some of the Skyfall James Bond scenes at Ankle Common. So I thought that would be a really cool place to do a shoot. I have also got a new camera, and I'm going to show you what that is when I arrive, but it's probably not what you'd expect. But all I'm going to say is retro, you know, retro. But yeah, it's 10 degrees. It's fucking cold. So cold. Especially when I've got my summer gloves on like an idiot. But yeah, we're making it happen. So we're going down here. Ooh, tunnel. Give it a couple little revs. But yeah, I'm heading to the upper car park. Turn right onto Hook's Back. Oh, well, I missed that. Ah, what an idiot. Well, I missed that direction, so... No? Ah, well, I'm going this way now, so screw it. So yeah, I'm going to the upper car park, and what I'm going to be doing is hopefully getting onto just a nice little area of the common. It's basically like grassland and stuff. And if you allow bicycles there, I'm allowed this bike there, because when the engine is off, this is classed as a bicycle. And it actually says so on the tax document. So if you want to film somewhere scenic and you know that bicycles are allowed to be there, you can push your bike there. Odds on me riding it, that's a different story. But yeah, we just want to get some Skyfall-esque vibes, and I'll be cracking out my retro camera, which I'll show you what that is shortly. Just to kind of switch it up, you know, I've got a fancy 6K Lumix camera that it's amazing, don't get me wrong, but sometimes it's so sharp and it's so digital that, you know, you want to strip all that back and get some nostalgia in there. You know, if you ever look at old VHS family tapes or recordings on like an old JVC, for example, there just seems to be like such an amazing emotion captured in retro footage. So that's what we're going to be planning to do. But aside from that, and on the topic of cameras, I have had a nightmare with my GoPro cameras. No idea what's wrong with them. Might be the SD cards, I don't know, but I was filming a vlog, like a dual vlog as well, yesterday with my good friend Revit Rich. And they just kept cutting out, dying, corrupting the files. Sorry, I'm just listening to a sat-nav lady in my ear. And yeah, they're just all round sucking at the moment. I can see that they're both recording currently, so we're good there. If they did cut out, you wouldn't be seeing this video, so that's a good sign. But yeah, I did like a big full format, which takes like 20 minutes on the SD cards, so hopefully they're okay. But yeah, I lost like loads of footage yesterday, and then to top it off and add insult to injury, my Road Pro, which is what you can see here, wasn't plugged in properly, or it was getting some interference or something like that, because that just didn't record my voice, as you can hopefully hear it now. And if it's doing that again, you also won't be seeing this vlog. So yeah, all my stuff is breaking, so my hopes are on my retro cam to hold up today and actually work. Maybe it's a sign for me to switch to DJI or Insta360, because I've not had any problems with my Insta360 X5 as of yet. So we'll see what happens. That'll be something for the new year. But yeah, I'll probably get the Ace Pro 2s and throw these away. Probably get new SD cards as well if maybe it's the SD cards are corrupted. I don't know. But yeah, lost a ton of footage yesterday, so that's like a dual vlog that you might not see, because I don't think it's salvageable because of how scuffed my audio is. Oh, these roads are really nice, and they just don't feel great on my post-track day Rosso Corsa 4s, because I've got so much rubber that it's bubbled up on the edge of the tyre, and it's now gone like hard, so it just feels awful when I'm leaning the bike over. But these are some great looking roads, you know, big autumn vibes. I'm hoping you can see what's going on, because it's so cloudy and dark that ND8 might even be true. Oh, fuck me, that was some wet leaves. Oh my gosh. It might be too dark to see what's going on, but who knows. Okay, 1/4 mile, turn left. Let's not forget that. But yeah, if it was 10 degrees warmer, this would be amazing. Oh. Yeah, I think I know where we are. 2 miles. Okay. I'm just hoping that I can actually get on and film somewhere, and also not get told off, because yesterday we were also filming in an amazing location. Lane closure ahead. Right. We were filming at Blackbush Airport on the runway, which is also open to bicycles, which meant we could be there on these with the engines off. And we still got, you know, some absolute Karen, job's worth, you know, too much time on their hands type person come and be like, you can't be here, where? Come on, that's you, mate. Come on. Go. Come on. Fucking donut. I appreciate you maybe letting me go, but I'm fucking waiting for you. Silly Billy. Watch me get taken out by some wet leads now, it's karma. But yeah, aside from that, not a lot else has been going on. It is the end of the track season, so you won't see any more track days from me for a while. However, I am on the lookout for a project bike or a track bike that I can do up over the winter. I'm looking to spend like, I don't know, £1,200, £1,500 on a early 2000s, 600, 750, 1000, basically whatever I can get my hands on that's in, you know, relatively decent condition. Ideally, I'd want race fairings. They can be as tatty as you like, because I plan to paint them. Ideally want a quick shifter. Turn right, 1/4 mile, I've got it. Ideally want a quick shifter. Hello. And then, yeah, anything else is really a bonus. If I can get a set of wets on wheels, that would be fantastic. Just to have a spare, you know, and then I can think about maybe getting slicks, or maybe I'll just stick with the super courses. Right, turn right. Not to, well, maybe to the pub. Turn right here. I love little towns like this. Continue on this road for 2 miles. Oh mate, get out of the way. Well, that's a short 2 miles because we're turning right again. And yeah, basically I plan to make like a YouTube series out of it, kind of similar to what I did with the Fireblade. And yeah, get it ready for next year's track season. I want to do more tracks, that aren't Brands Hatch, because Brands Hatch is the only track I've done. I've done it like 4 times because it's so convenient, and obviously it's an easy track to learn. But yeah, I really need to get my ass to some other tracks. I think Cadwell would be cool, but it's a bit far. I want to do Donington, Snetterton. Oh, the temptation to pin it down this road. I don't know where I am, so keep it tame. I don't know about you, but if I don't know the roads, I will very rarely speed down them. Like, I could do 180 down this road, but that's definitely not a good idea. Right, there's a car park there. We must be getting close. Where the fuck am I turning right? Here? Okay. Down here we go. Oh, this looks pretty residential. Okay, 1/4 mile and we're there. So yeah, this is it. Yeah, 1/4 mile and we are there. I kind of don't really have high hopes for this location, but you know, I needed to get out today. I was going insane, cooped up indoors. Upper car park open. I assume that is down here. I have arrived. No unauthorized vehicles beyond this point. I'm gonna authorize myself. I give myself authorization. I was told there was meant to be some filming up here. But that doesn't look like the case. So, I don't know where to go. I kind of just want to put it in the top of that hill. Take some fucking cool videos of it. Let's see if we can make that happen. We are sliding about. Ah! See, I kind of just want to go up there and... How fucking cool is that? Yeah, fuck it. I'm putting this bitch here. I don't even care. Yep. Swear they filmed Gladiator here, so this will make for a fucking awesome backdrop. Plus the ground is hard enough to... No, it's not. What a save! Oh my god. Yeah, it's definitely... Okay, well, fuck this. Maybe not the best idea. Hopefully nobody sees me pushing in this fucking Superbike around here and thinks, what the fuck is this guy doing? So, what I'm going to do is find somewhere nice to put the bike and regain my breath as well. Then take some nice videos. So this is where I'm going to take some videos of the bike. Just going to get my retro camera out and I'll show you guys what that looks like. Okay, this is the camera I was talking about. It is a Sony Handycam. The exact model is a CCD TRV-23E and it is a tape camcorder. This thing is awesome. I've just been filming some little bits with the bike with a nice background. And yeah, basically I'm finished now. I will put in the edit that I did with this camera. It records the tapes and then I can get the footage off onto my computer. But I also attached my iPhone to it from the little magic arm to make a cool little POV edit. So yeah, I'll put that in now. And yeah, basically what I'm going to do is just pack up and leave. The annoying thing is, this GoPro has been fine all day. I thought I'd fix the issue. Clearly not. As I was just trying to record what I'm doing now with it. And it's doing this. So I'll show you.
I press the record button, nothing's happened. So I have to turn it on. Nothing happens. If I take the battery out, put it back in, then record, no, nothing happens. So I think what I'm going to do is just fucking boot it about half a mile that way and go to Insta360. But yeah, I'm going to be using this. I might even put my 360 cam on up here, because the cool thing about the 360 cam, if I have it up here, it's facing me and it's facing outwards, so I get two perspectives in one. So yeah, I might do that because it's a bit more reliable. But yeah, I'm gonna get my stuff and go, so I'll see you in a sec.
All right, we are out of there. We're gone, we're done. And I've got the Insta360 X5 on my face. I've got it in single lens mode because I don't need the 360 cam. No GoPro down here because I can't be arsed with GoPro's BS anymore. Having such issues with them at the moment. So just gonna sack it off for now. And probably get rid of them because wet leads, scary. Because they're just doing my nutting. They're just not working. So yeah, I'll probably be switching to Insta360 for the action cameras. But now I'm on my way back to chill out for a little bit because I need it to be dark. It's not quite dark yet. I think it's like 4 o'clock maybe or something like that. And I need it to be dark because I'm doing a little Halloween video shoot where I'm going to be sticking a pumpkin on my exhaust and then shooting flames out of the pumpkin. So yeah, need it to be dark, and plus I need to go back and get the pumpkin because I left it in my house. Like I had no way of, there's no point in me taking it there with me. So yeah, gotta do that. That's gonna be fun. I think I won't vlog for that, but I will put the result in just so you can see how that went. But now, yeah, I'm probably gonna get a monster as well. I don't think I need any fuel. Alright, let's go get the goods. Yeah. Monster or Red Bull? It's gotta be. Alright, goods secured. It's starting to rain now, so I think I'm gonna fuck off home. As you can see, the bike's got a little bit of drizzle on it. And when your tyres look like this, it's not the best idea because this shit all goes hard. Fucking horrible. But yeah, monster secured. I'm gonna hope that it stops raining so I can go out on my little Halloween shoot later. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, all that crap, and I'll see you in the next one.